Okay, the Arthropleura by Yoobin and Brian O'Flanagan. So there's a picture of the Arthropleura. It's a very large millipede. Some quick facts. It lived in North America and Europe 315 to 295 million years ago. It was discovered in 1854 by scientists with the last name Jordan and Meyer. The Arthropleura in Greek means jointed ribs and was the largest millipede arthropod to ever live. Its role in the ecosystem. The Arthropleura was most likely an herbivore arthropod, however, it had a very powerful bite. Because of its size, the Arthropleura had very few enemies and was protected by its armor-like exterior, and it lived in oxygen-rich swamps where it could feed on plants. Some more facts about the Arthropleura. Its legs were made up of jointed connected tubes that were filled with muscle. The body armor of the massive Arthropleura fell apart after death, as shown by the fact that only parts of its body plates have ever been found, nothing close to a full-body fossil. The largest estimated size of an Arthropleura is 6.6 feet. During the time when the Arthropleura was alive, the oxygen content of the atmosphere was much higher, which allowed massive arthropods like the Arthropleura to survive and get very large. The Arthropleura lived on land, but some scientists believe that it went underwater in rivers and lakes to grow and molt a new shell. So its evolutionary history and extinction. The Arthropleura became extinct at the end of the Carboniferous period. It most likely went extinct because of the drying out of the climate. The Arthropleura evolved from crustacean-like ancestors from the Carboniferous period. And the only known descendants of the Arthropleura are the millipedes today, which dwarf in comparison to its ancestor. So there's a picture of the Arthropleura. It's very large, very creepy looking. There's the Arthropleura in comparison to a human and what a millipede today looks like. It's obviously very large and larger than a human. There is a fossil of an Arthropleura. You can see the ribs and the armor-like exterior of the Arthropleura. And there are our information sources. Thanks for watching.